Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Physics Classes by Puram Taneja. Up to now we have learnt about potential and various numerical. In my today's video I will teach you what is the relation between electric field and electrostatic potential. As I have told you in introduction class that field around an electric charge can be represented by two ways. Number one, electric field, which is a vector quantity, and second one is electrostatic potential, which is a scalar quantity. It means the strength of electric field around any charge can be represented either by using electric field or by using potential. So there must be some relation between these two terms. So as to come to know what is the relation between these two terms, let's start derivation. Let us suppose there is a source charge, that is plus q, located at point O. Now, as we know charge is positive, its electric field lines will be outward. Any direction we can use radially outward, so it is the direction of electric field. On any considered electric field line, take 2 points A and B such that they are so close to each other, or I may call that separation between A and B is very small. I am calling it dr. As A and B are so close to each other, because I have shown here far apart, but I have mentioned it is in D. D means very small separation between these 2 points. As separation is small, what does it mean? Electric field is constant at A and B. It means at these 2 points A and B, electric field can be considered to be constant. Let us suppose out of A and B, we have to find out the value of potential. Let B is closer and A is comparison point of view farther. So, V is the potential of VA and V plus dV is the potential of V, that is B point. So, I have taken VA, potential at A, V, and potential at B, V plus dV. Why I have taken here more potential? Because I know potential is given by Q upon 4 pi epsilon naught R, or potential is inversely proportional to R. So, less the separation, more the potential. Okay students, so if I move a test charge Q naught from A to B, then electric field is in outward direction. I am moving the charge in inward direction. What does it mean? To move a charge or to move a test charge Q naught from A to B against electric field, I am moving the charge against electric field, small amount of work is done. I will calculate, so as to find out the relation between field and potential, I will calculate this work done by two methods. Number one, what is the formula of work done? Work done is force into displacement. Okay. Now, force, what is the amount of force applied by us in moving this? That is equal to electric force. So, what is the formula for force? F is equal to Q naught into E. But it is against electric field. Against electric field, it means force and electric field vector are anti-parallel, opposite direction. So I will take here a sign negative now. So F is equal to minus Q naught E, and the displacement we are taking, that is dr. So it is the equation number 1. Or you may take the force, and force, electric force is in outward direction, displacement is in inward direction. So put F is equal to Q naught E, dr equal to dr. As these two are in outward direction, theta equals 180 and cos 180 is -1. So you can use any one. First method, we have find out the amount of work done by using second. The formula for work done is equal to charge into potential difference. Okay. Now small amount of work done in moving a charge Q through potential difference. What is the potential difference between these two? What is VB minus VA? VB is V plus dV minus VA, yani V, it means V plus dV minus V equals dV, so it will be Q into dV. So how you have to remember, because it is very important derivation regarding examination point of view. First you have to use class 11th formula for work done, and then you have to use class 12th formula for work done and equate to from 1 and 2 minus Q naught E into dr, that is equal to Q naught into dV. Q naught cancel with Q naught, so E is equal to minus dV by dr. So what we call this mathematical form, that electric field is, what is this, negative of potential gradient. Gradient means क्या होता है, something upon length is known as gradient, a gradient. So it is potential upon length, that is potential gradient. Okay, so what is the relation we have received? So electric field is negative of potential gradient. What does this negative sign indicate? This negative sign indicate that E and V are in opposite direction. What does it mean? When we move against electric field, potential increases, and when we move along the direction of electric field, potential decreases. You have to learn this statement. I can make it clear using this. It is direction of electric field. When you are moving along the direction of electric field, you are moving away from the charge, potential is decreasing. It means when we move along the direction of electric field, potential decreases. It means along the direction of electric field, potential decreases. Number 1, it is very important relation concerning your exam. Derivation may ask so as to derive. Negative sign indication, or what is potential gradient, electrostatic potential gradient. So conceptual question may ask. Okay, and one more thing that is concerned here, numerical regarding this relation, E is equal to minus dV by dr is very important. Okay, we will discuss this now. As I have told you, electric field is charge, force per unit charge. So the unit of electric field was Newton per Coulomb. But now we have derived E is equal to minus dV by dr. What is dV? dV is potential difference having unit volt, and dr is separation, meter. So its unit is volt per meter. Okay students, so we have received the result E is equal to minus dV by dr. This is the relation between electric field and electrostatic potential. Now the numerical, so as to make the concept clear, is a uniform electric field, that is 10 Newton per Coulomb, uniform, and uniform electric field is represented by equidistant parallel line. Vertically downward direction, it means arrow of electric field is in downward direction, and its value is 10 Newton per Coulomb. So electric field is 10 Newton per Coulomb and direction is downward. We have to find out the increase in potential. What is the value of increase in potential? When increase in potential means change in potential, we have to find out. When one goes up, up means dr is in upward direction. When one goes up through a distance of 50 centimeter, 50 centimeter, it is not in SI, so convert it in SI first. So what it will be? 50 upon 100, that is 0.5 meter, or I may call it half meter. Now as I have told you, E is equal to minus dV by dr. Minus sign is just for direction. Okay, E is equal to minus dV by dr. E, that is electric field, is in downward direction and displacement in upward direction, so these two are in opposite direction. Okay, so what is the value of dV? dV is equal to minus E dr. E and dr in opposite direction, so I am taking here minus of 10. Electric field is 10 and dr is half meter. 0.5 means half meter. On cancellation, I will get the result 5 volt. So what is the potential difference? 5 volt. But how I can make you sure that it is plus 5 volt or minus 5 volt? Electric field is given to be in downward direction and you are moving in upward direction. When you move in the direction of electric field, potential decreases. But when you move in the direction of opposite to electric field, against the electric field, potential increases. Increases means it must be positive. Okay students, so it is the numerical that is based on the same derivation. Now one more numerical regarding the same is, let potential at point P is given by 4x square volt. It is in space. It means potential at any point in space is given by the formula V equals 4x square. We have to find out electric field at a particular point, that is 1, 0, 2. It is to be find out. Okay. So let's start. Electric field is given to be minus dV by dr. But now potential is given to us, we have to find out electric field, and if it is depend on x, y and z, then we have to do derivation in such a way that when we are derivating with x, it will be ex. Ex is equal to minus dv by dx. So minus d by dx of v. What is the value of v given to you? That is 4x square. Now 4x square in derivation, old power multiplies with this, that is 8, and reducing the power by 1, so it will be minus 8x. And what is the point where we have to find out? X equal to 1, y equal to 0 and z is equal to 2. So here only x is required. Putting x is equal to 1, we will get the result minus 8 into 1, that is equal to minus 8. What will be the unit of electric field now? Volt per meter or Newton per coulomb. Okay, and what is the direction? It is along x-axis. Along x-axis. So exact representation will be minus 8 I cap volt per meter. Okay students, so it's all about the relation between electric field and electrostatic potential. In my next video, I will start a new topic, most important topic concerning your exam, that is equipotential surface. Till then, goodbye.